Hi everyone, welcome to the Free Range Diva. Yeah, I'm going to do a quick mask today because it's Face Mask Alchemy Day, and it's kind of a sad, bittersweet day because if you don't already know, Marie, who formulates Face Mask Alchemy, is going to be discontinuing the mask subscription box. Not because it hasn't been doing well, because it's been doing very well, but for the new year she wants to move into what has been her dream, which is to be a skincare formulator. So letting go of Face Mask Alchemy, but she will be hopefully soon bringing us products that she has made herself. And if they're anything like the quality of the face masks that she's given us over the last couple of years, I'm sure they are going to be fantastic. So congratulations, Marie, on your next skincare adventure. And for those of you that maybe have thought about getting Face Mask Alchemy or haven't, for whatever reason, haven't pulled the trigger, you have 2 more, I think, boxes after this one before it goes away forever. So just to let you know, and for those of you that are subscribing, and you probably already know everything I just told you, I'm just going to do a quick mask today with my own personal little alchemy, and we'll give you a glimpse of the, what is this month? January? The January box, which is called Eau Valley. And in the box you've got the usual, the mask itself, which is this beautiful, there you go, green colored mask. And along with the mask, the oil this month is going to be the Green Things Facial Oil. And this oil, here's the little sample that comes in the box. It's going to be cold pressed and unrefined and organic chia seed oil and camellia seed oil. And there's also some vetiver, distilled vetiver essential oil in here as well. So she says that the purpose of the mask is to reduce inflammation and aid skin in fighting oxidative stress. The mask has in it French green clay, yay, my favorite, French white clay, and then all organic matcha tea, moringa, coconut milk, Hawaiian spirulina, gata cola, white tea, and Oregon blue-green algae. So this mask is loaded, absolutely loaded, and I believe that's what she wanted to do, was to put together several ingredients from different masks over the the course of the subscription to try and give you something that's going to be very, very active and really make a difference in your skin. So my mixing medium is going to be, you know what that is? That is noni juice. Here is the there's the bottle, and I'm using it because it's anti-inflammatory, it's loaded with antioxidants, and I'm just going to start mixing this up right now while I talk. Put a little of the noni in there, mix this together. But noni has been, or noni, I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but noni has been researched by the University of Hawaii, and they found that it has properties that can help to normalize blood sugar levels in the diabetic, normalize blood pressure levels in the hypertensive, and improves the quality of life of patients with late-stage cancer, which is amazing. So, and it's all the antioxidants, I'm sure, that are in here. So, I've got the mask. There you can see I've got it. It's a beautiful color, yes. Nice and mixed up with the, add just a smidge more noni juice. I've got it nice and mixed up, and now I'm going to add in the honey that comes with it, as well as the oil, and then we'll get it on the face. My skin right now, I'm going to put in about 2 to 3 drops of the oil and a lot of the honey because my skin right now is leaning more towards the dry side. It's gotten a little bit colder here, and as a result, my mother likes to keep the heater turned up. So it really, all that dry heat, not to mention the fact that although it's been raining the last 2 days, when it's not raining, it has been quite windy and quite dry. So I'm feeling a little bit of that. So I want to make sure that this mask is very, very emollient. Marie says about the oil that this oil is dense, and it's so only use like 2 to 3 drops, and it is actually excellent as a pre-mask or a post-mask massage oil. So maybe we'll do a little massage when when everything is done and mixed up. I made it quite thick. I'll show you. And so let's just put it on. Just looking at this even before I apply it, it looks decadent. It's so, it kind of has the texture of like a thick pudding. It's very smooth, has a lovely sort of fresh grass kind of smell. I mean, look at the color of this and you can tell you are really getting quite a bit of antioxidants. I mean, it's so deep and dark. Cheers, noni juice. By the way, noni can have anywhere from a very pungent flavor to something that's kind of like prune juice. It just depends on where it has been harvested, what time of year it is. And noni has been used throughout the South Pacific by islanders for thousands of years. So I don't think that a society like that would keep using it if it didn't do something. And it does quite a lot actually. Let's get a good look here. This goes on like a dream. I mean, it literally just glides over the skin. The texture is amazing. And I have no doubt that Marie is not going to skimp on the last few masks in the box. So again, if you are thinking of getting it and you haven't gotten one yet, now would be a really, really good time. Because the nice thing about these dry masks is their shelf life goes forever. I mean, they can sit on your, they can sit on your shelf for quite a while. Now you may lose a little bit of the actives, as it becomes less fresh, but it's not going to go bad on you for sure. The phytonutrients in this mask are what helps to reduce inflammation and to fight the oxidative skin stress. Also, moringa is what Marie calls the superstar ingredient in this mask because it's got vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for quite a while, probably at least 20 minutes. Then when I take it off, I will come back and give you my thoughts. So I'll be back in a few, or 20. Okay, well, wow. I feel my face is just so soft right now and has this sort of very smooth, velvety type texture to it. It feels very hydrated and plump, and that is going to be the theme of the day. So I'm going to use my Reveal You. This is my mineral water, ionic mineral water spray. I'm going to follow that up with the Reveal You Face and Body Gel. These are products that I got at the Natural Health Solutions Expo, and I've already ordered a full size of this gel. It is amazing, astonishing, the way it just plumps up wrinkles and makes your face look about 10 years younger. So yeah, there'll be more to come on that story, but let's get a good amount of this gel on. especially the neck. And around the sides, because I usually forget about the sides. And then this year, Marie says that she's recommending everyone make it sort of their resolution to add facial massage to your skincare routine if you haven't already, simply because it helps to stimulate the blood flow to the skin. It moves around lymphatic fluids and just provides, you know, it increases the overall health of your skin. So I'm going to grab, this is the pumpkin serum from Savor Beauty. And I'm going to use this oil as a massage oil because it's very, very thick and viscous. We'll just pat that in. That was 2 drops. This also has a very, it has a unique fragrance to it. I'm not exactly sure if that's pumpkin seed or if it's something else, but I like it. And then facial massage, you can do it with your hands. I think Lisa Elders has a really nice video about using you know, your hands to give yourself a good facial massage. You can use what I'm going to use today, which is my jade roller, or your gua sha stone, which I usually do, but we're going to start with the jade roller today. And I'm not going to do this on camera. I will continue doing this after I've signed off. But I do want to let you know that Face Mask Alchemy is $10.88. It's going to be around for at least another month, maybe 2. So if you're interested, now would be a time to jump on that. And also, if you just, you know, have been curious about dry masks and you want to try one that's maybe not from Face Mask Alchemy, this gives you a little bit of an idea of how to do a dry mask correctly. You don't want to just, you know, get the mask, pour some water in it, mix it up and put it on your face. You want it, it's too drying that way. So, you know, it's best to add something like a honey or, you know, agave or something if you're vegan, and then put an oil in it as well. And that way the mask will do its job without drying your skin out. So that's going to be it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did that. You can just go ahead and click that subscription button. And that way you won't miss my next video. All right, everybody, I will see you very, very soon. And until then, I wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!